beside Rivier De Maas. Before the sun begins to rise, the world is calm and still. The water mirrors every cloud. The air is cold and filled with peaceful sounds of waking birds and gentle morning light. Another day begins to grow, another beautiful sight. Slowly the shore wakes up, slowly the reeds lean in, slowly the day turns gold and everything feels still. Dilkensplas, forever beside Rivier De Maas. Flow forever, flow forever. Dilkensplas, forever beside Rivier De Maas, where nature comes alive, where morning stays inside. Reeds are dancing in the breeze, trees reflect upon the lake. Every ripple tells a story, every sunrise starts awake. Swans are gliding peacefully, herons watch the shore. Nature whispers quietly, always wanting more. A path of dew beside the grass, a fisherman stands by. The silver water takes the pink that gathers in the sky. Slowly the mist lifts up, slowly the dark lets go. Slowly the day arrives and lets the valley glow. Dilkensplas, forever beside Rivier De Maas. Flow forever, flow, flow forever. Dilkensplas, forever beside Rivier De Maas. Every season, every sunrise. Dragonflies above the water, fish beneath the morning light. Silent beauty all around, everything feels right. Walkers pause to breathe the air, photographers wait. Every visitor discovers nature's peaceful state. Children trace the pebbled edge, a dog runs through the reeds. Even the smallest hidden things are answered by the breeze. Carry every sunrise, carry every season, carry every dream, carry every soul. Let the water keep its calm, let the morning open wide. Let the soft land hold us close beside Rivier De Maas. Dilkensplas, forever beside Rivier De Maas. Flow forever, flow forever. Dilkensplas, forever beside Rivier De Maas. Carry every sunrise, carry every season. Slowly the sky grows brighter, slowly the water shines. Slowly another perfect morning comes alive. The first warm breath on wet grass, the last cold thread of night. A heron lifts and draws a line through the thinning light, and every leaf that turns its face becomes a small hello, as if the whole wide resting world is learning how to glow. Dilkensplas, 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 forever beside Rivier De Maas. Carry every sunrise, carry every season, carry every dream, carry every soul. Flow, little river, flow forever, flow, little river, flow forever. De Maas, soft morning light, silent water, Dilkensplas until a night.